Hello friends, if you are trying to purchase a thermal printer from China, this is the correct video. Today in this video, I will show you the beautiful heavy duty thermal printer for you. This thermal printer, the speciality is that the main thing, the major part, the thermal head, which is made in Japan. Not China, it is made in Japan. This factory is in China, and we are developing this printer here. This printer, the second speciality is that all the PCBA, like the motherboard which is using inside, the number one quality, not number two. So that even after 10 years, 8 years, this printer will never ever get damaged. That's a guarantee I can provide for you. Like in the multiple cutting, there is a thermal head is there, the auto cut mechanism is there. This one, after multiple cutting, even millions cutting, it will not get damaged. This printer is 80 mm, yani 3 inch printer, and here are some modules I will show you. This is a power supply, this is cache drawer, this is LAN port, this is USB port, and you can see over here this is a RAINTECH thermal printer, model number RT03 and 80 mm. This is the details over here, and here you can see this, just a one push it will be come up. See, just one push it will be come up, very soft. And you can see that the body, the surface finishing is beautiful. Like if we touch over here, you will feel that it is a very soft. This feeling you will get in this printer. And the body construction itself, we made a lot of effort on this. But because we already inform the injection molding, the molding manufacturers and all. We need the number one quality, not number two. That's a product we need to build for the market. Based on that, the body is designed. You can see that the very neat and clean lining, everything you can see over here in the top, the body in the top, build quality, and the joint, everything you can find is extremely equal. See all the dimension you can see over here. There is some bush size available. Keep on the table. There is noise also will come over here, for the KOT and all. Sometimes you need some beep 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 sound like this. So this is also is available in this printer, and all the buttons, everything looks beautiful. And front side also you will find there is a on off switch is there. You can find, and there is a RAINTECH badging you can see over here, RAINTECH POS. So beautiful, really awesome product. And there is a lot of testing, lot of inspection is going on everywhere. There is a huge stock is there in this factory, and we have a different type of testing process. Like LAN cable, there is a separate testing process, and for example USB cable, there is a separate testing process, and this cache drawer, there is a separate testing process. All this, and adapter is main important. Like voltage drop adapter, like 230 volt, yeah, 110 volt to this 24 volt. There is a adapter is there. That also branded adapter we are using, not local made. The branded adapter. Here they have the testing people are there. They will connect with the software. This is a testing team basically. See, this is a test print. You can see the sharpness, how sharp it is. See this one, let me show you. Can I take this? Yes. See this sharpness, extreme sharp. You can see this one, extreme sharpness. Even the QR code also you can see over here. It's a beautiful QR code, see. The letters, everything, logo, everything will come on this printer. They will do all the testing, and they will put a test label. And here we have this adapter is you can find it over here. This adapter we will keep it open for 28 to 48 hours. All the printers, once the production is completed, keep it open for testing. Like 28 to 48, 24 to 48 hours we will do the testing. Continuous power supply will be there. So what is the issue is going on like this, we will check it. And further there is so many testing is vibration test is there. Vibration test for for example for shipping to your country. Maybe some with the vibration or shipping issue, some damage or something will happen. So this one also we are checking one by one. If you are looking such a product like you want to use for 8 to 10 years continuously without any repair, without any service, most people they will ask where we will go for service. If you are using this printer, of course I can tell you, guarantee you, you don't want to go for any service because it is service free printer. We have our dedicated customer care team, accounts team, everything to control your order, to ship your order, to process your order. There is a dedicated team is working. You can directly contact on this above email ID. Just drop one email. We can send you the proper pricing, proper quotation for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.